1 million channels on your TV screen that says, all right with me. And there's a boy back home who's talking on the telephone, and he says, oh my dear, well you've been gone so long. It's bring hooks me up with a nickel knife, and so it's all right with me. I think the greatest thing about the American dream is that you can't call it up no matter how close it seems. Telephone, well it just rings and rings. I guess it's all right with me. And it's all right with me if you wanna lose your faith. There's 5 billion more who wanna take your place. Yeah, they're lined up deep at the pearly gates, praying it's all right with me. I guess it's all right with you if it's all wrong with me, 'cause you got nothing else to do but listen to me scream about how the world's crashing down around my American dream. I guess it's all right with me, and it's all right with me if you wanna waste your time. Throw your hands in the air and say the problem's mine. I'd rather fix it myself than listen to you whine about how it's all